Good evening, folks. It's 17 minutes past midnight on the 7th day, 9th month, 2021. From Liverpool, England. That's the time of day. Excuse me, I need a drink. Right, I want to show you this. I didn't want to show you it, but when I looked, there it was. I'm looking here at San Francisco, San Jose, Eureka, where so many fires have occurred in the Mount Shasta area. And, well, you clearly see these chemtrails off the coast of California, here over the ocean, here where the whales are. And I love the whales. I think they're very special. And all sea life is. And in all fairness, I think all life is special. But I don't think all life is doing very special things right now. As I zoom in closely on this electromagnetic frequency pulse here that you're seeing will definitely cause a flow this way and could very well hold rain off of California when they need it so badly to put out these fires. What I'm looking at here are chem bomb deployments of some kind of chemical catalyst in the atmosphere that is making these clouds that we see here. I don't believe everything that's coming down is silver iodide. Okay, that's super cold. When you get a square form like this with something in the center, that's telling me something different is going on. Okay, something different is going on that needs to be looked into, needs to be disclosed, and I do not consent. I imagine you don't either. And if you do consent to this, well, that's your oneness, and well, I'm going to speak for all these fish. They don't consent to this fallout, and neither should you. And the fallout from this program is, we don't know. Every scientist tells you the long-term effects, they just don't know. And if you don't know, you shouldn't be doing it, right? Don't risk us all because you want to have a great scientific result in a Nobel Prize. And they should give a Nobel Prize for people that restrain from doing things. See, there's another one of those squared areas and another squared area, and I know, yes, many people will see a phoenix or something here. I see a liver bird. Yeah, that's right, I'm here at the pool. Another square form here, scalar square of energy that didn't nucleate the same, or it actually vaporized all the moisture here. You know, aluminous salts in combination with bicarbonates and sunlight and moisture will make a hazed out water droplet and a chemical known as aluminum hydroxide. As we get in here toward the fires, you see fire smoke hazing out everything. You know, but why? That's not a valley. That's a chemtrail going into the fire. Why? Okay? Are they dumping accelerants? Because aluminum, barium, strontium is in other metals, sulfurs and stuff. Well, sulfur with the right things with it is a matchstick, isn't it? Well, this scorched earth matchstick policy is getting out of hand. This smoke is toxifying lungs. It's toxifying the air. Poor Mount Shasta. You see all these little squared out areas? These are towns and farms. Right? These are livelihoods. These are at risk. As these fire accelerants here, these big boom boom plumes here, are falling out with fire accelerants. This is not all smoke. These are chem bombs here over Shasta Lake. See them plainly. I'm going to zoom in. I want you to see something. You see these lines here? This is where they brush stroke out and blur the images so I can't see a clear image of these chem bombs. All these are not fires. Some of this smoke lines you see will actually be smoke settled in valleys. Right? I do realize that. I try to think critically about this because it's a very critical situation. But when you're blurring out the feed, you do not want me to see, do you? Not see. Not sees. Not sees are doing this to you. And they do not want you to see it. And if they could stop dissing my E's, please, that would be great. South Warner Wilderness, not just fire smoke. You have a chem bomb deployment over you, and all these are not fire accelerants, because fire, that they use to put things out with, because those are usually red in color. And those are not healthy either. You don't want them in your rainwater. See again? Boom, boom, went to plumes. Something is deploying here. Fire accelerants. This could be your new fire line coming. A lot of these scalar squares that you see of energy like those out here, and I'll see if I can, well, I hope I don't see them. But clearly this no haze here is telling me they've got scalar energy in here in a square form to fuel winds. It'll fuel this wind of, let's say, this fire here. And when I see that reddish smoke like that, and that could be them putting fire retardants down. That could be the chemicals that build houses, you know, insulations and various plywoods with glues and stuff give a terribly toxic smoke. And this will combine with other things in the atmosphere to make other compounds that are hazardous that will rain down later on. What a shame. I'm sorry that this is just absolutely gutted. Look at this off the shore. This is not all fire smoke. These are chem bomb plumes. Totally different. Being dispersed with electromagnetic frequency is evidenced right here. Here you go, Alana. Full-scale dominance right before your eyes, burning down the wilderness in your backyard. Oh my God, this is horrible. I was going to call this the chemtrail report, but I think I'm going to keep this short because this is not so sweet to see. Folks, you got fire accelerants deployed over Reading, Red Bluff, Chester, Susanville. Oh, Susanna, we hope we don't have to cry for you, because I'll tell you what, when you can put out fire and you're choosing to use electromagnetic frequency to hold moisture away from the shore and to deploy desiccants in the atmosphere that catalyze clouds and condensates, and they're keeping moisture away from California and the West Coast. Everybody think rain when you're looking at this right now. Natural, beautiful, unexpected rain. Let's give these firefighters a break. They're the true heroes. Big love, peace.